Igbo person bearing an English name. It's very, very painful. We are rejecting what belongs to us. We are rejecting ourselves. We are praising another man's language, and we throw our own language, our own dialect, our own native. We throw it away. Anyị na-akwado obodo ọzọ na-ebuda nke anyị ala. It's very, very painful. Like, for example, have you seen a Chinese man, woman, name, or have you seen their kids answering an English name? India, Korea, Japan, so on and so forth. Hardly you hear them even speak English. Hardly you hear a Chinese man speak English. They prefer their own and they like their own. They don't want anything English. They want their own. This is self-hate to Igbo people. This is self-hate. When you say that supremacy hate us, they maltreat us bad, we are the one treating ourselves bad because we reject our own. We reject everything about our own. A lot of people come to my inbox and say that they went to Alpha and Alpha is not showing well. Have you asked yourself question why the Alpha is not showing well? One, how can you answer English name? You want to go and meet an Asian people that did not go to school. Some of them are bush people. How do you want them to open up and tell you the real thing? Why you are rejecting them? You are answering English name. But when you answer the name Ejimaragi, like Igbo name, like Chidebere, Chioma, and when you say my name is Chioma Gafa Divinity, Kabara Gafa, you will see that everything will relate well. Number one, our dignity back by accepting our native names. When a man see you on the road, what is your name, baby girl? You will say, my name is Miriam. Is Miriam your English, your Igbo name? You don't have a dialect name, your native name. You don't have it. When they ask you what is your Igbo name, start feeling shy. Why I don't answer Igbo names? Why I don't answer Igbo names that people can't pronounce it and they only name me. How can your name? You are ashamed of your name. You answer Linda. You answer Cobra. You answer Lucifer. You answer Jessica. What is the meaning of Jessica? You don't know. You get confused by the name you answered. Name you bear as English name is creating problem to you. You answer name you don't know the meaning, and it's backfiring you here and there, but you don't know. When they call you Mbechi, Akpogi Mbeke, Akpogi Mbafo, you pick upset. Why can they call you an ancient name, a Mbeke name? No, it's not Mbeke. Oh, Njirimara ndi Igbo. When you answer your name, Chidera, Ogechi, Chioma, Chukwuka, Oguzie, many things, Chibike, you know, your name will be leading you. That name will be leading you here and there. Than when you answer Gertrude. What is Gertrude? You don't know. Those names is not for us. It's for white people. And some of them came to me and said that why they answer English name is because the white people can't pronounce their names. They cannot pronounce Igbo name. My dear, shame to you. That white man you are trying to get their interest, are they fighting to get your own interest? It's a question you ask yourself. You will see them answer a long name, Chan Chon 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 Hon. But you can pronounce it, you can force yourself and call Chon 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 Hon. But they cannot pronounce Chidera. Anybody that cannot pronounce your name, let that person go. My name is Mirioma, or you call me Chidera, or you call me Adafo. I will answer, or you call me Adishi Miri. I will answer. I will be happy. I'm not ashamed of my origin, my identity. I'm not ashamed of it. I'm proud Iwo Igbo. If that white person cannot pronounce your name, let the person go. When you answer Chidera in public, Chukwuka in public, you are bringing us up. We are gaining our stand that ndị emepekwala anya. Ndị emepekwala anya. Now, ha chokwale mata nke ha. Let's embrace ourselves very well. Let's be beauty inside our house. Then we trade ourselves outside. When you are beautiful inside, we arrange ourselves accordingly. Then we go in public and show ourselves. Now our mothers are teaching our children English. Vernacular problem. When your child speaks vernacular, they start flogging them because of what? The child is not speaking good English. Now our children don't know how to speak Igbo very well, correctly. And our mothers are not, they don't even care. Let's join hands and bring our own heritage. China now see their language. They are even coming here to pick our things and go and refine it in their country. Alibo aleze, alamika and honey. Let's everybody join hands and rate our culture, tradition, our origin up to help our identity. Now we have made a mistake. Our parents have made the mistake before by calling us Miriam, Kenneth, or whatever they call it. Because the generation we are going to have now. Now, our Adako, Zakonobi, Oguzie, Ogubike. I would love to call my daughter Chike's ancient name. Noah. If my mother should reconnect to me, I will call her Noah, ancient mother, Nebo, because I love her. All my kids will have Igbo name, Igbo name, no English name. Adobe, Adora, Oguzie, Ajuzi Ogu. Let's call. So, Ajuzi Ogu. Let's embrace our own. Our forebears are angry. Our ancient people is angry with us. How long are we going to embrace what is not yours? What are we gaining from what is not yours? Ihere ụmụnwaanyị Igbo ka ọ ka njọ. Our young lady ka ọ ka njọ. Ọ na-ewe ha ikpọ ha Igbo, ọ na-ekpo ha ekpo n'obi. Ọ na-ewute ha karịa ndị nwoke. How can you come and start answering Jennifer John, Jennifer Snake, Jennifer Anaconda, Jennifer ndị nwụrụ anwụ aha m na-ama? Why can't you answer your ancient, your forebears name? Aha ndị mpa gị. Izayo Waro, Chidera Ogbonna. I'm proudly Chidera Miroma Ogbonna. Ikpom Yota, I'm happy. Or Ikpom Asa Ishimiri, I'm happy. I'm happy. Or Ikpom Adam Wangele, or Ikpom Adam, complete or Ikpom so for one Nahibo, the meaning. I will be very, very happy. I'm that English name on our credentials, our documents, but we can still amend it. We can still go. Once all day possible, we continue with it. Take again if you people one wine, beke biakwara na abia. Beke hai happen ha ka ha lawa kai nwere onwe anyị. Anyị na-ekwu mental slavery. Ọkwa ijikwa kai na-etikwa nwanyị na bondage. Ọkwa ijikwa kai na-etikwa nwanyị na ihe na-eme anyị. What you are embracing is not your own. Ajoya aha nwa gị ogini Cassandra. What is Cassandra? Aha nwa gị ogini Linda. Aha nwa gị ogini Miriam. Miriam means bitterness. Tomorrow you start behaving like agwa ahụ na we parents give asị gị ndị ancestral cause na-eme gị village deity unu na-eme gị okwu unu ga-anọgide na were aka na-eche unu na deity na-enye unu nsogbu. Embrace your own. Zaa him ọfụma. Don't answer another person's name. You are rating them up. It's only onye agbatara n'ohu. Onye, for example, ị gaga zụrụ nkịta na isi nkịta gị aha ya Josephine. Ọzọba Josephine. Ikpo ya Josephine ọza. Ndị ọcha bịara bịa zụrụ anyị as a slave. They bought us as a slave. Take us to Europe. From there, when you buy a slave, you have to give your slave a name for them to know family Oshinapụta. Johnson, Jack. Is only a slave agbatara n'ohu onye na-aza slave name. Ị gaghị onye Yoruba, ọ na-adịkwa hard ihe onye Yoruba na-aza na-ahapụ aha ke ha zawa aha ndị ọzọ. I have been in Lagos. I have associated with them. I see how they do. Shobomi, this one, that one, kiniko, Dara. And their kids speak. Here we are living. They are almost Yoruba people here. And few Igbos and few river people. You see Yoruba people, they are speaking their dialect. Even the small ones. When I come out, I feel joy. You know, when the mother wants to tell them something secret, they speak Yoruba. They bear Yoruba name, Oluwadara, this one, that one. They bear their names. Igbo actually is Oyibo. Communicate during the Oyibo easy to pronounce. These Oyibo people you are trying to embrace, they are the one killing us. Now, if they call name, we will understand. Now they are using code on us. Why can't we come in unity? We push a window Oyibo, pikiri. Some guys say, is a lie. Our ancient people have done all these things for us. They buy clothes through her. Why can't we just inherit our own and find out the truth about ourselves? It will be the best for us. The more you are running, the more those things are there waiting for you. If you did not join our hands and do it well today, tomorrow is still waiting for us. When you answer your Igbo name, your dialect name, igagaghị go more amara onye a na-akpọ. But it's Oyibo, ndị mmụọ bịara ebe ị nọ ha sị gị onye kwano Josephine, ha mo they get confused. For example, nna m Ogbonna Josephine. Ogagadi knows all of that sị eleghị mmiri ọma jiri onye kwano Josephine. But when you say nna m Ogbonna gakwuru m Chidera zere m ozi, ị ga-ahụ efechalie bịawa. Chidera onye dọta asị m zie ego ozi. Is how these things work. You know what now won't kai. Let's throw it away. Let's embrace our culture and heritage. Let's remove English name and answer our native. And let's speak our dialect. I won't Igbo. Nwa is an efu number, but I efu number. Because of what? I will Oyibo man nishi too much. Foreign thing man I need it too much. We don't even know how to do anything. Even common toothpick. This China name because they have taken our glory has departed from us. Our glory has departed from us. Let's bring back our glory again. Very well. We are losing everywhere. We are losing here and there. Let's embrace our name mainly now. I will put slave names. Only slaves answer slave name. Only in double slave answer slave names. I will drop here. I still remain Ado Ishimiri. I still remember still call me Ada for Ishimiri. Okoro Karisia. Look at my height. Okoro Karisia. Maiki Beyamma. Amama sound. Please share. Other ladies will learn and correct themselves. Cha cha.